Hi, good morning. Today, let us discuss about the case study of Foundry process, which is basically for the students of first year, mainly of circuit branches. The Foundry process is an important process. Um, every one of you should know what is Foundry. Foundry is a place where the complicated components are to be produced. In the foundry, the basic things are pattern and mold. How to prepare a mold in a foundry is the case study of today's class. For example, if you want to make a component in the name of thumbs, um, here is the model shown. The process of pattern making is shown here. The first half of the pattern has been kept. It has been mentioned as one half of the pattern. The first half of the pattern has been kept on the floor, as shown in this first figure here. And then the cover, that is called drag, has been kept on the floor, which covers the pattern. The next one, we have to fill the sand, that is called as green sand. We have to fill the green sand on the pattern. We have to use a shovel and hammer to level the mold in this way. After that, you have to tilt this pattern into this way. So you have to make it up and down in this way. Okay. The next one is the next half of the pattern has been kept like this way. Similarly, you have to put the cope in this way. And after filling the sand as like in the first one, previous one, we should keep like this way. So we have to keep both this like this way, and we need to keep the drag at the bottom and cope at the top. Then we have to make the keyway to fill the molten metal. The molten metal has been prepared in a cupola furnace. Okay, from the cupola furnace, you have to bring the molten metal, and the molten metal has to be filled in the cavity like the path. Once you fill the material, you have to keep the casting for some time to cool it. Casting is the process of pouring the molten metal into the cavity. Like here you are seeing, we are pouring the molten metal into the cavity. Once the molten metal has been poured into the cavity, and we have to let it solidify for few minutes. Once it is getting solidified, the final component will be made. Oh, okay. Then you have to remove the patterns, cope and drag separately. The final solidified component can be obtained in this way. The pattern making is having a major role in the foundry. By using the patterns, pattern is the sample of the component which is required. By using the pattern, we have to make a mold accordingly. By using the mold, we can get the required component in the form of casting. Thank you so much. Thank you.